Linking your bank account to PayPal is a straightforward process that allows you to easily transfer funds and make payments. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account to your PayPal account. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the PayPal app and log in using your email address and password. Step 2. Navigate to Wallet. Once logged in, locate the Wallet option on the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods, including bank accounts. Step 3. Add a bank account. In the Wallet section, look for an option that says Link a bank account or Add bank account. Click on it to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm your bank account. After entering your details, PayPal may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve PayPal making small deposits into your bank account that you will need to confirm within your PayPal account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your PayPal account, allowing you to easily manage your finances. Enjoy the convenience of seamless transactions.